What's up, everybody? My name's Adam. I'm that archery guy. Today I got a new project. This is a 1989 Honda XR100. So, I got this when I was about 12 years old. My dad bought it for me. It's my first dirt bike. As you can see, it's been seen better days. So the plan is to strip the whole thing down, get it down to all the bare pieces, clean it up real good, repaint it. I'm kind of on the fence on rebuilding the engine with a big bore kit or getting one of those live fan 250cc deals with a bigger carb and a bigger pipe and kind of shoehorning that in there and giving it a nice paint job. I've already got some brand new wheels. Well, tires, rather. I got new tires with inner tubes already on the way. So those are going to be here soon. I plan on tearing it down for y'all, making this a nice long video, time-lapse as usual. And, yeah, so step one is getting it all tore down, and that would be the first video. And step two is getting the paint stripped off of the frame and getting all of the chrome pieces cleaned up real good. I'm gonna wire wheel them. And I'm probably gonna paint them black. I'm not sure what the final color is gonna be, but I know that it's gonna be epic time it's all said and done. So, stay tuned. Alright, y'all. As you can see, we got a lot done here. I got the throttle cable off, I got the carb removed, I got the ignition control module taken off, got the chain guards off, I've got the carb flange taken off, the clutch cable and the front brake cable have been removed. We are down to pretty much the bare bones here. Hopefully you could see all that pretty good. So, I'm going to tape off the intake and the exhaust ports and make sure those are good and sealed up and take this thing out and pressure wash it real good. The next time you guys see it, it'll be nice and shiny. So stay tuned.